expecting to like look and see it. Like I was thinking I was at like 49,995 or something. I wasn't expecting to see that 50,000. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for 50K. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for interacting with me. Like, you guys are literally like super subscribers. You guys are so amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Whew. So I was not expecting to start the video that way, but hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be doing a quick and easy hairstyle. So I'm thinking of a Goddess Halo Braid with some clip-ins at the back. So I do have the clip-ins right here. They're from Better Length, you guys. They sent me these clip-ins like 2 years ago, you guys, and they are still going strong. So I am definitely gonna be adding this to my hair. But first things first, I'm going to put my hair in a low bun first. That's the first step of this style. I just got out of the shower and I just added some conditioner, washed that out, and then I added a leave-in and an oil to my hair. So I don't need to add anything else to my hair but the gel. So right here I have my Eco Styler gel, you guys. This is my Argan Oil Eco Styler gel. You guys know this is my favorite. So this is what I'll be using. So I am actually gonna have a part for this Halo braid. So I'm gonna part it like just right down the middle here. Y'all, I cannot find a comb, so I'm gonna be using this here. So I'm just gonna part it right down the middle as best as I can. That was good, right? I don't got to do too much. I didn't have to do too much. And then I'm just gonna get started with the gel. With my hair, thankfully, I don't have to do too much like detangling or anything like that to get it to lay down. It being wet is good enough. And I'm not trying to get necessarily a sleek back because that's gonna be covered with the kinky curly clip-ins. But I do want the top to be quite sleek because about this much of my hair will be showing. There you go. That looks pretty good. And then we're just gonna swoop the other side as well. Okay. Okay. That feels good. So let's fix this side now. There we go. There we go. Alright y'all, so I am going to take my little scarf and I'm gonna wrap my hair, and I'm just gonna let this set for maybe an hour. I may go underneath the dryer. The little, y'all remember in the last video I showed y'all that I got this little concoction, like the little, I don't even know what it's called. It's like a supposed to be like a hooded dryer attachment, I guess. And you use a handheld blow dryer to make it get big. So I think that's what I'm gonna do just to speed up the drying process. And then, yeah, we're gonna get into the rest of the video. All right guys, so I am back. My hair should be quite set. Yeah, it's all right. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the clip-ins to the back portion of my hair. So I said I got the clip-ins right here. So I'm just gonna get started with that.
Show me the car when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like Conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all the night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it
I'm about to work on the halo braid part. So I have some expression hair, pre-stretch braid. So I'm just gonna use one of the bundles here. So this is the bundle. I don't want the plait to be too thick, so this is a great size for me. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to detangle it. And then I'm going to put this part on my door, and I'm just gonna do a plait. Alright guys, so I'm all done with the braid. So the braid actually pretty much is the circumference of my head. So I am going to use this part and attach it to this part, and then I'm going to use some bobby pins to give me some extra security. So I'm going to place it like right on top to cover the wefts of the kinky curly clip-ins, and then I'm just going to use this elastic band and tighten it. You guys can see it's nice, tight, and secure. But if you guys want some more stability, well, I want a little bit more stability, I'm going to use my bobby pins. Alright, nice and tight, you guys. Whew. So pretty. So now I'm gonna work on like my edges, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What y'all think? It's cute, right? So this is the back, and then this is me on the other side. You guys, I love it. It's super cute. I do have another halo braid tutorial video on my channel, but that one's a little bit different. I didn't leave anything out at the back. So if you guys want to see that, definitely click the iCards up above. In that video, I did add some little razzle dazzle, but for this look, I just wanted it to be a little bit more on the simple side, but still cute. Ooh. If you guys like it, definitely comment down below and let me know. Also, be sure to thumbs up this video. Also, you guys, stay tuned. I am going to be doing a small giveaway for 50K. Can y'all believe it? 50,000 people subscribe to the channel. Mind blown. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a small giveaway. So definitely stay tuned for the details on that one. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.